Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Developers and Coders Club NIT-A. My name is Gourab Singha and today we are going to solve 12th problem of Div 12 from A to J, game with sticks. In this problem you are given two integers n and m. N denotes the number of horizontal lines and m denotes the number of vertical lines. There are two players Akshat and Malvika, and in a move a person can choose an intersection point and remove all the sticks that pass through that point. If you take any intersection point, you will find that there is only two sticks that pass through that point. For example, take this grid given in the question. Pick any one intersection point. For example, let us pick this third intersection point. Notice that there is only two sticks passing through this point. Similarly, for any other cases, there is maximum two sticks that pass through an intersection point. It is given that Akshat makes the first move. Now let us look at few examples. Look at this example first. In this example, the number of horizontal stick is 1 and number of vertical stick is 4. Let's say Akshat made his first move and picked this intersection point. So he will remove this line as well as this line. After removing these two lines, there is no more intersection point left. This means that Malvika has no move to make, so she loses this game. It is given in the question that both players play optimally. Now check this example. Here the number of horizontal sticks are 5 and number of vertical stick is 2. In move number 1, let's assume that Akshat picks this intersection point and removed these two lines. Now it is Malvika's turn. Let's say she picked this intersection point and removed these two lines. Now the number of move is 2 and it is Akshat's turn. But since there is no intersection point, Akshat cannot make a move. So in this game, he loses. So the winner for this game is Malvika. In the previous example, it was Akshat. Now check this example. In move number 1, that is Akshat's move. In his move, let us assume that he picked this intersection point and removed these two sticks. Now the grid looks like this and it is now Malvika's turn. In move number 2, let's assume that Malvika chose this intersection point and removed these two sticks. Now there are 2 horizontal sticks and 3 vertical sticks remaining. And by now you must have realized that in each move we are removing 2 sticks, that is one horizontal and another vertical. In move number 3, let's say Akshat picked this intersection point and removed this stick and this stick, because these are the sticks that pass through this point. Now it is Malvika's turn and the move number is 4. There is only one horizontal stick and 2 vertical sticks remaining. In this move, it is guaranteed that this horizontal stick will be removed and any one of these 2 vertical sticks will be removed. Let's assume that Malvika chose this intersection point and removed these 2 sticks. So now the grid looks like this and there is only one stick left. Since there is no intersection point left, the winner of the game is the one who made the last move, that is Malvika. Now look at the result of these 3 examples. In the first example, n was 1 and m was 4. And in each move, we were removing one horizontal stick and one vertical stick. So the number of horizontal stick after one move will be 0 and vertical 3. So now the grid looks like this. And since there was no intersection point left, Akshat won the game. In the second example, m was 2 and n was 5. And in first move, m became 1 and n became 4. In second move, m became 0 and n became 3. So now we are left with 3 horizontal lines and 0 vertical lines. And the number of moves was 2 and the winner was Malvika. And in this example, n was 4 and m was 5. And after 4 moves, Malvika had won. So by now, you must have observed that if the number of moves is even, then the winner is always Malvika. And in the first example, the number of moves was 1, that is odd. So the winner is Akshat. Now how are we getting this number of moves? It is the minimum of n and m. For this case, the minimum of n and m was 4, hence the number of moves is 4. In this one, the minimum of n and m was 1, so the number of moves is 1. And finally in this example, the minimum of n and m was 2, so the number of moves was 2. Since you have understood the intuition, it is very easy to code it now. In input you have to take two integers n and m. And now you have to check if the number of moves, that is the minimum of n and m, is even or odd. If it is even, then we have to print Malvika. Else Akshat. Let's now submit this. Okay, so this is accepted. That is it for the solution. Thank you.